Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the four most popular browsers on your Honor X8. So in the first Opera, in this web browser just tap on the tab icon, switch to the private and click on the red plus. That's it. In the Firefox, if you have this welcoming screen, just click here. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon, switch to Zero Mask and the private button. Now next is Microsoft Edge. And in this browser click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon or arrow icon, switch to the new Incognito tab, and now in this mode your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.